Truth or dare?
Truth. I took one dare.
If you had to eat 2 cats on this table, one in private, one publicly on this table right now, state the names and why.
Benny's, I'll eat your cat in private.
What?
Because I love you, girl.
Aww. In public?
Alex, I'll eat your cat in public.
Woo! Okay. Spicy. Why? You have to say the why. You have to say the why.
Because she's fine as hell.
Truth, dare, or drink. Pick one.
Angel!
Why parent now?
That's the only issue.
I dare you to put your feet in the mouth of a nigga on this table. Fancy. Let him suck your toes.
He go in combo.
Pick your top 2 guys on the table.
Top 2 guys.
That you wanna.
She.
I didn't finish off. Okay, top 2 guys that you wanna make your husband.
My husband. Husband is Suma.
Husband.
But she.
Yeah, now.
Someone I know. And I've had something to do with.
You're the host. You don't man of fire.
Big brother Naija.